I'll be dealing in the next section the leads of training of EdTech company. Okay, this is a data set. We have I think four or five tables related to this. We are according to that the leads generated by sales manager and its head senior manager. We have to track how many were successful and how many are unsuccessful in that successful leads and how many converted and how many one minute how many of them are converted. See, this is the flow chart. How many are lead, okay? And in that, how many are awareness, how many are concentration, and how many are conversion has happened, okay? These all we will be tracking, okay? There will be, I think, four to five tables, okay? From that, this is the hierarchy. Senior sales manager will be having junior manager one, two, three, four, okay? And how many is lead one, two, three, four? How many leads and how they are like extending, how many in that are successful and unsuccessful, and how many have been converted in the successful conversion and successful consideration, successful awareness and lead. After that, unsuccessful consideration and unsuccessful awareness and unsuccessful uh, lead. Okay, these are the categories. Okay, I think seven categories will be categorized and will be drawing a flow chart. Okay, the indentation, the representation in the dashboard using data visualization using Power BI. Okay, we will be tracking this. The home assignment is this take a home assignment like the Java data analyst is when they provide such data is he has to the take outcome is what we have to take out is from that is they should every businessman should understand and his team and everyone should understand the journey and stages of scope of improvement and everything how it has to be implemented. All this we are handling here. Okay, what is the team performance, okay, which team is performing bad and all those things, and which manager met what is his target and all those things. Okay, in a tech company, that how it goes. They will arrange a first call. Okay, these are the fields. Okay, this is the lead basic details. It contains the fields and everything it has the information. I'll explain. See, lead and age and gender. Yes, the student who has completed a BE or something is studying, or then he is in which city and all those things. His education, the lead generation. So this is a Facebook or some SEO through WhatsApp or something. Any mode how he got lead. Okay, this is how the EdTech company, like you can take an example of IntelliPad or Edureka, the big EdTech companies, they'll make this analysis. Okay, they need this analyzation of data uh, to conduct a training and how much the conversion is happening with regards to the calls and everything. You might be getting calls do you want to take training, and they'll be giving some offer price, and if you book today like that, or if you book on a festival day or within some days, there will be offer. Or else the quote price will be more. They'll be saying, okay, all such companies. Okay, this data will be tracked. Okay, to and to improve the business statistics and to improve the business revenue and the budget, what is the expenditure they are making on each resource to conduct training and the sales team and everything. The company will be big to conduct. You will be hearing about even you can take example of um, like what I can say, a great learning. Okay, all these things. Okay, there are this analysis is a part of that such institute. Okay, and we can take this is like you can take any city. Okay, depends upon this and lead ID. This is a user ID or something like that. Okay? And lead ID and call done date and call status is it successful or unsuccessful, all those things. Okay, we'll be dealing. Okay, and first in the call reason why he is left, why he is not interested, and when do you want to take all these things, whether he is attended a demo session or like that. Okay, you can take the example of coding school for data science course and any other full stack or cyber security course. Okay, there's how they will do analysis. Okay, this is the whole the case study how we have to handle this such type of data is given. Okay, how we have to make analysis. Okay, first if it is a lead journey, how we have to track this. Sorry, on the major drop points, lead stages, and then where and what stage it is. Okay, and the team performance, sales pipeline management. Okay, this is how we have to handle one by one. Will we handle in the next session? That's sorry. Next, that's what I am going to handle in the coming next class. Okay, I'll be dealing with data analysis and drawing a flow chart to the business side to show that how we can represent a data visualization of these about leads and track and the targets achieved and all those things. Okay, thank you.